guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I have a special guest. In 3, 2, 1. Hi. And hey guys, this is my cousin Alex. Today we're gonna have a volleyball fight. We're gonna be making slime. This is my little baby brother. I know he has grown since he's old.
Alright, so the only thing you guys are going to know you're getting is the glue.
Yeah.
Besides that, it's all mystery.
He wants white glue, I want clear glue, so it goes together.
Okay. And remember, girls, we're not going to use the whole thing of glue.
No.
We'll use it all.
No.
This is
Dashes.
big boy glue.
Look at how big that is. It's been a minute since we've been. No.
I'm not putting a whole lot.
This is how much I want.
I'm putting this much. Actually, just a tiny bit more.
You had a lot more than me.
I just put that much.
We had the same amount. No, yours is a little bit bigger.
Yeah, mine's a little bit bigger.
Tell me to stop to make it.
Wait, could it fit in everything in there? Maybe not.
And at the end, we mix it together.
No, I don't want to mix mine.
Tell me to stop.
Okay, that should, wait, a little bit more. I can't see mine because it's not see-through. I can only see how big it is. I can't see how deep it is.
Mine is really deep.
Let me see yours. Yeah, yours is deeper than mine.
Okay, Alex. Dad, let's move on to the next project.
Alright, round 1.
Ooh,
I got 3 bags. 1 is not going to get picked.
Okay.
Connor, I'm sorry, buddy. You're not making slime. You're the tester. You're the tester. Okay, so we got... Don't look in the bags.
Yeah, we're gonna
Bag number 1.
Oh,
Bag number 2.
I didn't know for now.
Bag number 3. Go ahead and pick your...
You
You can pick them up. Can't look inside of them.
They're all higher.
I'll pick it.
Okay.
Oh, you can see through the bag.
I'm picking this one.
I'm picking this one. Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
can we look? Can we
So
look?
now you can look inside and add it to your slime.
Wow. I got
What
this.
you get?
I got star. What's in the other bag?
The bag that did not get picked, gold glitter.
No.
I'm happy with what I got.
Can we?
Oh, it's okay.
Watch out.
Try not to make a mess as much as possible. It's bound to happen.
Oh, mine's gonna be like.
Don't eat it. Don't eat it. Don't eat it. Don't eat it. Don't eat
Here,
it.
I'm trying to grab these. Okay.
Oh, mine looks like kind of the galaxy.
Yes.
Oh, that's way too much.
Can I have a spoon?
Not yet. We're not done. We're not going to stir it yet.
You could mix it with this. What? I have something else too. I got something else too.
Are we ready for round number 2?
Yeah!
Alrighty, girls and boy.
Alrighty, girls and boys.
You ready for this round?
Yes. I'm ready.
Okay.
I'm picking the green box. Wait,
Let's see.
this is heavy. This one.
Dang it.
Can we look in it?
After she picks.
I got black.
Yay!
No.
Well, what you get?
I got blue glitter.
No. Mine looks.
This
The
looks.
one that did not get picked?
Oh, that looks so good with mine.
Maybe later.
I didn't want this.
You might think that.
I'm just gonna add a. Wait, you have to add this at the end.
Do you?
Yeah, you have to
Yeah,
add this at the
yeah.
end. So you have to like keep it on the side.
Yeah, we have to keep on some.
That's good enough.
Yeah, we have to
I
keep that
don't
side.
need that much, but.
I didn't
This
know
is
that.
my slime so far. It's like that.
Well, because I didn't know that, because I don't make slime, do you want the pom-pom?
Yes! Oh, please, Mama.
One-time switch.
A one-time switch?
And at the
Alex gets a one-time switch for something else too.
Okay, that's how we do it.
Okay.
I can open it.
This is what mine looks like, okay? It's glittery. It's glittery prizes. It's gonna get
It's-
everywhere.
Yeah, look
These are
how
like
it's
the.
looking so far.
This is my planets.
I feel like the table somehow got pushed up.
It keeps
Connor.
it pushed.
It's Connor.
Connor has
Round number 3. Bag number 1. Bag number 2. Bag number 3.
I don't want to pick the heavy one.
I want this one. I already chose it.
She picked that one. Which one do you want? Which one do you want? Pom-poms again.
Glitter!
And glitter. What did not get chewed?
It's clay.
Oh, wait.
More styrofoam.
Oh, I don't want those. So,
Yeah, I got purple glitter. That's like galaxy.
Yeah, that is like a...
What?
Pink, really purple glitter. It's
gonna look so much
It's
like
gonna like galaxy.
It does kind of look like a galaxy slime.
mine looks worse.
I really like galaxy. Wait, if I get these, they could be planets. Like Pluto. Lots of Plutos.
Yeah, what's Pluto? Is I can't take them in the same news.
Guys, if you know what Pluto is, it's a planet that got destroyed.
Yes.
That was another planet that people could live in. Right? Yeah. No, because it was too cold.
It needs a sun to be warm.
The sun didn't go in there. She doesn't know anything.
Hey, excuse me! You don't know anything.
Yes, I do.
I found another puff balls. Oh, they're going in there.
1. Stand up. Okay.
Yeah.
2 and 3.
Bella, do you see in that?
No.
Alright, sit down.
Yeah, they can't see your face.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Gold glitter!
What'd you get?
Like
Silver glitter. And the thing that did not get picked, small pom-poms.
Should I trade for that?
You do get 1 trade since Bella got 1 trade.
No.
Do you want to trade? Trade denied.
So this is it's gonna look like pink.
I love it!
Yeah,
These still go in
these
there.
could be like a sparkles, like
Wait, no,
in the
sorry.
galaxy. You know how there's sparkles inside?
Yeah,
Like mine looks.
that looks very pretty.
I want that one. Would you like to trade slimes after this?
At the end we get to mix slimes.
Okay, activator time.
Yeah, at the end we're gonna mix it.
They're really good. Oh, my finger!
That's like Connor. Connor, do you like my slime so far?
Do you like mine?
I think yours is gonna win. Guys, at the end you get to vote who's gonna win.
In the comments.
Start activating.
Don't use too much. Yay! No. This might take a while, so my dad had.
Ooh, we're at 9%.
Hey guys, this is our slime projects, and we mixed together slime into Connors. Yes, we did add a little bit of a child stuff, but only the glitter. Is this Connor's slime?
So, you guys came up with names for each of your slimes. What's your guys' names?
Arabella, go first.
My name is Galaxy because it's all galaxy and blue. I made the finishing touch.
Okay. What's your name?
My name is like cereal slime.
And then Connor's name is Cereal Galaxy.
No, I think Connor should be called the Milky Way.
Yeah, the Milky Way.
Yeah, the milk.
And look what's in my slime that I found in the glitter.
Oh yeah. Connor.
Connor, do you like yours? Let's make a baby slime swirl. See, do you like
So,
yours?
was that fun, girls?
Yeah!
Connor likes his slime.
That we made for him.
Well, that was a long process.
A very long process. It took 2 hours, actually.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, I think we gotta say bye now.
Bye, guys!
Thank
Make
you for
sure you're
watching.
watching Play Monkey.
Okay, you guys done?
Yes! Bye, goodbye!
See ya.